Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the Iteknic Bluetooth headphones. Alright, let's see what we got in the box here. So these are magnetic wireless earbuds. Okay. And here we have a little box inside the box. Okay, first off, get it free, 12 months extended warranty. Cool. Nice little perk there. What else do we have? Okay, let's just lead off right here with inside the little bag here. This features Bluetooth 5.0 and it says IPX4. Not even sure what that means, but here we have the headphones right here. Okay, they got this. I want to see how long the cord is on these, so let me unwind this real quick. Okay, come on, here we go. So it's probably, I'd say 16 inches, maybe more than that, 18. Anyways, so that go around the neck there like that, and the magnet. So it does have a magnet in here, and it appears to be, it's quite strong. I mean, if you had this around your neck, it's not going to just fall off of there. It's actually a pretty decently strong magnet. Okay, so obviously I can't put this on right now with my mask on because it's quite difficult, but first glance it looks like it has these part kind of hook on your ear part, the part of the ear that has that little hole there, or not a hole, but so much of your ear curves, and this should fit right in there. It's a flexible rubber, and I'm going to address how it the feel and everything when I do my final review on this product, when I listen to it and everything. So it's has that nice rubbery feel. It says it's sweat proof, waterproof, close the flap when charging. It has a little charge port here on the side. Okay, well, it is really small. So it has plus, minus, and probably a pairing or power button on there. So that is that. Actually looks to be well constructed. Seems to be metal and that rubber material. So this is right and left. So there's that. Let's see what else we have in the box here, shall we? Okay. Oh, right on. So in here we have another bag, and it comes with two more different sizes of ear caps, as well as the ear parts. It looks to be, are they different sizes? Or let me, you know what, I'm going to open it up and check it out. Ugh. I can't tell just by looking if they're the same. I can tell the ear, the part that goes over the ear, that goes in the ear canal, they have different sizes of those, but I want to see if these are actually different sizes as well, these parts here. So let's compare. And yes, they are definitely different sizes here, so you can see. Well, let me see, show you a little bit better. So one's clearly bigger than the other one. Okay, anyways, so those are three different sizes it comes with, so that's kind of nice. If you buy it and you have extra small ears or extra large ears, then they can accommodate with that. That's pretty nice. All right, next we have the USB charging cord and a nice little Ziploc bag here. This is kind of a cool one. It's a short cord, which I kind of like. I don't really like the really long cords. Sometimes they come with like a 6-foot cord, and if you're just charging on the counter, then you have it all wrapped up. So that's a nice little short cord there. Yeah, what can I say? Actually, I don't think I've ever seen with a cord that short, but a good idea. I like that idea. What else we got? So in here we have a little little mesh baggie with a drawstring. And stick everything in there and keep it handy, I guess. Okay, least but not last, we have the user guide, and we will be doing a demonstration and review on this product as well. That's it for the unboxing. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and in Amazon you can order this if you want to. Picked it up for about $25, so I'm going to be doing a final review. Thanks for watching the unboxing. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time. Okay, my friends, it's finally done charging. This blue LED indicator will be solid blue when it is done charging. Okay, a little bit of nomenclature here. The plus button obviously turns up the volume. Negative button turns it down, and the multifunction button in the middle allows you to pair it with Bluetooth and whatnot. This also goes to the next track if you listen to music, and this is the previous one, or video, or whatever have you. Okay, so now you can pair the device. In order to pair it, you hold down your multifunction button until the light starts flashing blue and red simultaneously. Okay. There we go. There's blue and red. Okay, I'm going to go over to my Bluetooth connections here. Connected devices, Bluetooth. I'm going to go to pair new device, and it's going to look for an available device there, maybe. Okay, so I probably have to cancel that out. Let's go back. Sorry about this. Go into devices, settings. Okay, connected devices. Pair new device. Do I have to forget the one? Because I already paired it, but it wasn't recording my audio when I did this. So anyways, you guys get the idea. The Iteknic is going to show up on the device name or the available devices, and then you just hit pair, and it paired just fine. All right, so just thought I'd show that. So it does work. It is actually, oh my goodness, so I'm not paired because it's still flashing. Okay, maybe I have to forget the one that I had on there. Let's see if that's the case. Turn off Bluetooth. I'll turn it back on. Go into my settings here. Sorry about this, my friends. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I had to turn it off and turn it on. And obviously, okay, so pair new device. So we are hooked up, I believe. So that's how you do it without all the other steps there. I mean, under available devices, that's what it would look like. We're active at 100% battery. You just click pair. It hooked up really quickly, quite quickly. So that's how you do that. I'm going to kind of wear these around a little bit, listen to them, see how the sound is, see how they hold up, and then we'll do a final review. Alrighty, my friends, some final thoughts here on these Bluetooth headphones by Iteknic. So they charge pretty quick. I think it took a few hours to get to full charge there. Some people don't like the Bluetooth going between, if you have the ear, just ear buds or whatever, the wireless ones that go in your ears. I know some people are worried about the microwaves blasting your brain. So this is going right into your ears. So maybe this would be a better option for some people because it's got the wires. You're still running on Bluetooth though, so I don't know. As far as comfortable, they are comfortable. Real decent sound. I did was able to do a phone call while having these on, and the reception was good. The other person on the end of the line could hear what I'm saying. Fits good in the ears. If you're going to put it around your neck here, and the magnets are quite strong, like that, so they're not going to fall off unless you like, if you're jogging or whatever, it's not going to happen. So these are, like I said, decent sound, quite comparable to anything else I've ever listened to. So nice sound reducing quality a little bit there. Fits comfortably in your ears, almost like you don't feel like you're wearing it. Seems to be well built. I didn't like submerge them in water or anything, but I believe it is water resistant. So pretty cool little ear headphones here. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description below, so if you guys want to check them out on Amazon, you're free to do that. So have a great day out there. Thanks for watching this product review, and we'll see you next time.